When you need to hire a professional contractor or handyman to serve your project needs, look no further than Hire a Pro. You will not only get an advanced platform dashboard for managing your workflow, but you will also enjoy competitive bids from local contractors who know your needs and industry standards. Hire a Pro is not like any other site. Hire a Pro is owned and managed by licensed contractors who keep you safe, help with code compliance issues, and have your back when it comes to completing a safe and secure transaction. And to America's contractors and handymen, we invite you to come and grow your pro business and stand ready to serve your local community when it comes to emergency services and the skilled trades that you offer. Home and business owners across our nation are relying on you to help them find it, fix it, and remodel it. If you're a pro, you have to advertise and list your business and services in our National Pro Directory. You can track how many times home and business owners review your ad. If you do business with them, they can easily leave you reviews and showcase your professional work photos. If you're a home or business owner, you can post your project and experience the advantages you get when you hire a pro. Feel the security and peace of mind by having Hire a Pro as your advocate in the business. Post your project securely now for free and see for yourself how easy it is when you work with the pros through Hire a Pro.